Okay, so I'm here at 4837 East Willetta, and I'm gonna go ahead and look at unit number 2 now. And before I do that, I just wanna show you kind of how it looks as you would approach your property and let you know that it is really conveniently located. You can go downtown, Camelback Corridor, kind of in the heart of things. If you want to get out to the East Valley, you can do that fairly efficiently as well. And now we're gonna approach this unit here, unit number 2. And as we come in, you'll notice that this first room here is nice and expansive, and it has really clean looking walls. And you will notice as I go through the property, there's no carpet here, which make it a little bit easier to maintain. And so we'll go ahead and take a look at this room again from another angle here. You can see how kind of the light's coming in during the day, so you get your ample share of some sunlight, which is always nice. And then we're gonna go back, so we're gonna go through the kitchen, but we'll look at that in just a second. And this is the first bedroom, and you'll notice this bedroom has 2 windows, and it does have 2 windows which allow quite a lot of light in, which is nice, but it also has a fancy light and fan in it too. And you will also notice that it does have a closet as well. So we'll go out of here, and so you gotta get a layout of this property. You can go right into the kitchen here. Get yourself a drink of water, or I don't know, make yourself a meal here in the kitchen. And you can kind of look at this kitchen and how clean the paint looks right now. And again, no carpet. And then what's good about this is you have kind of an all-inclusive appliance area where you have your washer dryer here, you have your stove here, of course your sink here in the kitchen, that's always nice to have, and a refrigerator. It's all included in the property for you. So this is good. I'm walking back through this because you can kind of see how you would walk through the property. And then you'll go in here and you'll notice, I'm gonna do the bathroom first. And that looks fairly clean right now, and very bright as well. So, you know, when you're getting yourself ready, make sure you look good. And then we'll go through here. We'll go back over here through this room and take a look. This is a second bedroom, and you'll notice it does have 1 window, and it also has a nice fan as well. And we will look at the closet real fast. Here's the closet right there. And then we'll take a look at it from this angle. This is as you would approach the bedroom. And so you can get a kind of good idea on the size. And then as we wrap this up, we're gonna go see this nice light again. And if you have any questions, how to apply, what the details of the property are, you can go to rpmphoenixvalley.com. And I thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a fine day or evening wherever you may be.